friends, welcome to another video of AUM Classes. In this video, we are going to know more about the Google Summer of Code. As you know, the Google Summer of Code has announced their 2026 program. So, what is this Summer of Code and what you will get through this program? We'll know about this. Google Summer of Code is an annual competition which is organized by Google, and it gives participants or students a chance to work with various organizations. So for example, if you go to this page, you will see that it is written that these are the new contributors. So who is a contributor? A student who is working in an open source project who is a contributor. Now what is open source? So for open source, it must those softwares which are run openly and whose code anyone can see, these are called open source softwares. Now if you want to participate in this, you have to work with only those organizations who support this open source software, and for this you also have to learn Linux and GitHub because these are necessary for open source coding. So here you can see they have already written in this home page that how you can become a contributor, and you can also watch these videos regarding how to apply and what open source organizations are there who are ready to welcome you and what is this organization all about. So here you can see all the latest news and everything in this home page. Here is the tab. Here you can click and see about all this about section and how it works, getting started, and all the past programs. So if you click on this how it works, then it will open like this tab. So here you can see the list of various organizations and program timeline. If you click on this view program timeline link, then it will open the timeline. So here you can see all the dates, important dates which you need to keep in mind if you are applying for this. Mainly the btech students and BE students in computer science and information technology and other related fields, they are eligible to apply in this program. So here you can see this website developers.google.com, and here the menu is given that FAQs, videos, glossary, guides, and mailing list. You can join the mailing list to get all the information, and you can click on the resources. They will show all the resources. We'll come to all this one by one. Let us see first about the timeline. So here the timeline, this is not important for you, this is for organizations. So the main date which is important for you and which you have to remember is this March 31. So this is the GSoC contributor application deadline. So this is your application deadline. If you apply before this, then only you will get selected. So after this, the proposals will be ranked, and then from May 1 this community bonding period is given. So here the contributors, they will get to know about their mentors and the organizations. They will read the documentation of the project, everything, and official coding will begin in May 25, and final week of the coding will be from August 71 to 24. And the final date for mentors to submit the evaluation of GSoC contributors projects with extended deadlines will be November 9. So before November 2, this final date for all contributors to submit their final work and final evaluation, before this date you have to submit all your final work, November 2. So these are the important dates where you have to work, and you have to remember this. Nearly 75% of all the projects are of 12 weeks, and the project length can be from 8 to 22 weeks range. So minimum it can be 8 weeks and maximum it can be 22 weeks project. And all these bonding periods and everything is given so that the contributors, they can bond with the mentors and everything. So here let us check one by one this FAQ. This is the page where you will get all the related information. For example, how do I organize or host a session meetup, what is Google Summer of Code, everything you will get. which are the mentoring organizations, and are the mentoring organizations required to use the code produced by the students, everything. See, here is written no. While we hope that all the code that comes out of the program will find a happy home, we don't require organizations to use the contributor code. Means even if you are good in coding and your code is very good, but if the organization with which you are working does not find your code productive, then they are not bound to use your code. They will use some other code. So this is everything what you need to know about the Google Summer of Code. If you want, you can apply, and please apply before the deadlines. And here you can see the various tabs. Here you can click and check the home and history, the everything you can check. Okay, students, thank you.